Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5079391. Because of this error, that is your device is missing important security updates. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause update option. Hit pause, and once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then install and then check. Still not working, type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is complete, 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service, click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back to Windows settings, Windows Update. If you see retry option, hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079391, and then click on search. Let me change the language over here. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case, the version is 25H2. So check your Windows version, then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. And over here you can see the system type. In my case, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. And then click on KB5079391, click on it, and then run this exe file. Run this file. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and then you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, or go to Windows Update, then go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on it and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file, click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, click on finish. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.